Hi, this is Chandrakala. Welcome to my channel Thread and Needle. So this video is about the crochet design, simple crochet design, but it looks very elegant. So let's start the video. Okay, this is the saree. As you can see, the saree is wine color and pista green color combination. The color combination was looking very good. So as usual, crochet number 8 I'm using, crochet hook 8 I'm using. Okay, silk thread 6 strands of silk thread I'm using, and also here some of the gold color beads, crystal beads I'm using. So let's start the video. Okay, 6 strands of silk thread I'm using here. So to start with, first knot the thread. uh, Not the thread to, the saree is towards my side. Okay, that is right side of the saree I'm working with. So to start with, so pierce the needle, lock the knot the thread. Okay, knot the thread, and next start the design. Okay, this is the Mysore silk saree. So the color combination was looking very good. I personally like the combination. So knot it. See, I done knot. Okay, knot the thread. Okay, properly. Okay, 6 strands of silk thread I'm using here. Okay, first color I'm working with pista green color I have chosen. First step, two-step design it is actually. The first step I'm doing here is with that pista color thread I'm using. Okay, so to start with the 3 chain. Okay, do 3 chain. That 3 chain is also actually counted as one double crochet. See, again I'm doing directly the double crochet. How many double crochet we should do means 6 double crochet for this design. It is enough for this design. Okay, now I'm doing the 6 double crochet. Double crochet I'm doing first. For the first you're doing means firstly work with the 3 chain. Okay, first 3 chain you do, then continue with 5 double crochet. In total it is 6 double crochet. That 3 chain we done no initially, that is also counted as a double crochet. So in total it is 6 double crochet. Okay, so since it was that border side, no, it was little bit hard, so only I am not able to pierce the needle there. So yes, done. Okay, see, 6 double crochet I'm doing. Okay, that 3 chain we done no initially, that also is counted as one double crochet. Okay, directly I'm doing the double crochets to the saree itself. Okay, the baseline is very simple. Work with 6 double crochet, and then 3 chain gap, and then again 6 double crochet. So the 3 chain gap is used for, there the 3 chain gap is there, no, that gap is done again. You have to do the 6 double crochet in the next step. We should do, I'll tell in that next step. Okay, now we should do the double crochet. That first step is very simple. How to do means, again I'm explaining. 6 double crochet we should do, then 3 chain gap, again 6 double crochet, 3 chain gap, like this the entire pallu is done, saree pallu is done. That first step is worked with baseline. Okay, it is very simple. So see, 3 chain I have done. Next time directly I'm yarn over the thread on the needle. Okay, then directly I'm doing the double crochets. How many double crochet means 6 double crochet we should do. Okay, it is very simple, this design. So if anybody asks for the simple design, or for yourself only you should do means, for your saree or working means, for simple saree means not simple saree, like simple design but elegant look, yes, you can try this design. Really it looks elegant only. Okay, so pretty good, it was looking very pretty. Okay, next I'm continuing the double crochet only. As you already know how to do the double crochets, in many video I am explained. Okay, once again if you need, I am explaining here also. So it is very simple. Double crochet is very simple, only the double crochet is done here. Okay, double crochet is very simple. see how many are done means 3 double crochet are done there. Okay, next see yarn over the thread, pierce the needle, next pull the thread again. First 2 loops you pass it once, again in 2 loops you pass it once. That is called as the double crochet. It is very simple to work with. Okay, see you can observe carefully. So pull the thread, first 2 loops you pass it, another next 2 loops you pass it. That is called as the double crochet. Okay, it is very simple. The baseline is very simple to do. Okay, double crochet I am doing here. So 6 double crochet, 3 chain gap. Okay, it is very simple. See, 6 double crochet done. So yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, done. Next I am doing the 3 chain, 3. Okay, then again do again continue the double crochet. Okay, so this is the baseline. The baseline is very simple. You can do easily. Okay, it is very easy to work with. So that 3 chain gap is there. No, in the next step in that gap again I am doing the 6 double crochet. So in the second step I'll explain. Okay, so this is the first step. So it is very simple. So you can finish very fast also. So yes, I'm doing the double crochets. So if anybody visited for the first time my channel, no, kindly subscribe, like and share. So I'm posting very different designs and also very creative, and also tips and tricks I'm sharing. So kindly do watch it. Okay, if anybody interested in this work, kindly do share also, so that it will be very helpful. Without cost, you can learn easily at your home. Okay, so at your free time also. Actually, only thing that you should be interested, so that you can do it. Okay, so practice. Yes, you'll able to do easily. Okay, if you are a beginner, no, you start with the on the sample you cloth you do. Later on, once you are confident, then do on the saree. Okay, so that way it will be useful, I think. Okay, so yes, again I'm continuing the double crochets. The first step is very simple. So easily, if at all if you are a beginner also, you can try this design. So, and also let me know in the comment section how did you like this, whether you're liking the design or what will, let me know in the comment section. Okay, any suggestion also, yeah, you can mention it there. So yes, double crochet I'm doing there. See, how many double crochet means 6 double crochet. Now you got an idea, I think so, how to do the first step, that is 6 double crochet. Very simple design this one. So do give a try. Okay, okay, let me know in the comment section. So yes, many videos are there on my YouTube channel, so kindly do check it. Okay, many tips and tricks related also I have shared, so check it there, it will be useful. Once go and visit the channel, so check all the videos which I have uploaded. Okay, so yes, double crochet I have done. Again I am doing the 3 chain gap. So yes, again continue the double crochet. Like this, the first step is done. So the saree color combination was really, it was looking very pretty. I personally like the combination of this saree. Okay, so always choose the opposite color, opposite color of the pallu, so that it highlights. Okay, don't choose the same color whenever you're working with the crochet part, no, so better choose the opposite color. So contrast, let it be contrast, so that the design highlights. Okay, so double crochet, It's very simple, double crochet and 3 chain gap, that's all. Very easy to work with. Same thing we are doing in the second step. Only thing the difference is we are going to add the beads in between that 6 double crochet in the second step. Okay, see, like this the entire first step is done. The entire saree pallu, first step it is done. See how it is looking now, so pretty. So yes, like this you can do the for remaining part. Okay, the first step is very simple. So let's start the second step. For the second step, see, as you can see here, again 6 strands of silk thread I am winded here. How to wind the wind the thread means how to wind this 6 strands of silk thread means it is there already in my YouTube channel. Kindly go and check it. I shared in detail. Okay. Okay, next we'll start the second step. So as you know already, you work with the double crochet, no? On the double crochet only you work with the chain is visible. Okay, so there you lock it there. Okay, lock it properly. And yes, here what we are doing here in the second step means three chain we are working. Previous double crochet is there, no? On that 3 chain we are doing. Okay, see, 3 chain we are doing. Okay, start there, and the gap is there, no? In that gap 6 double crochet we are doing. Very simple it is. Okay, now I am doing 3 chains. 3 chain I am doing. Yes, done with 3 chain. Now the gap is there, no? That gap directly you work with the 6 double crochet. So first you do the 3 double crochet, then add the bead, crystal bead. Okay, then again add the do the 3 double crochet. So in total it becomes 6 double crochet. So in between I am adding the beads. Okay, so one bead I am adding, that is the crystal bead. So the design look still elegant. Okay, okay, see, 3 chain I have done. Okay, sorry, 3 double crochet I have done. After the 3 double crochet, no, I told you already, one crystal bead I am using there. So yes, to insert that crystal bead, no, actually this 8 number needle you can't use that one, because that crystal bead is too small. So that I am using the crochet needle number 12 I am using. Okay, crochet needle number 12 I am using. So depending upon the size of the beads, no, you can choose the needle number. So I have changed the needle, see. So this is the 12 crochet needle number. Needle number is crochet hook is 12. Okay, through that you can with this you can insert the bead. Okay, okay, from sometimes it will not pass that all the thread for this bead, no, sometimes. Okay, just concentrate and do properly. Okay, all at once you should pull that thread, then only you can insert it properly. Okay, sometimes it will stuck because it is too small, no, that 6 strands of thread you should take all at once, no, insert. So that's the thing. Okay, after doing inserting the bead, no, again I have changed the needle number 8. Only for the bead insert, no, I am using that 12 needle. Okay, crochet needle. Depending upon the beads you can choose the needle size. Okay, needle number. Okay, again I am doing the remaining 3 double crochet. So in total what happens, I am doing the 6 double crochet in total in that gap. Okay, see how it looks. See, so this is done. That gap is filled with 6 double crochet. In that 6 double crochet, in between I inserted the beads. Again I am doing the 3 chain. So 3 chain you do, again same thing, double crochets. what you have to do, 3 double crochet, do the 3 double crochet, add 1 bead, then again 3 double crochet. So in total 6 double crochet is done in one gap, that okay, in that gap 6 double crochet is done. So in between you are adding the beads, so that still it looks elegant. Okay, so any type of beads you can choose, okay, of your choice, and also depending upon the saree, no, you selected better depending upon the saree. So yes, so I'm doing the crochet, sorry, this one double crochet I'm doing. Okay, so like this you can do the this step, second step is done. Okay, it is very simple, only 2 step this one design. Okay, it is very simple. That gap is there, no, 3 chain gap I'm telling, no. So that 3 chain gap here in this step, it is used for tying the tassels, since it is a final. So that gap is used for tying the tassels. Okay, that how to tie the tassels, no, in detail I have shared with tips and tricks. So it is their video in my YouTube channel. I mean, kindly check it, and also I'll be linking, I mean mentioning in the description box as well. So kindly do check it also. So yes, again I'm adding the bead. Whenever I'm adding the beads, no, so then I'm changing the hook needle number. Okay, I told already, I told you 14 number I'm using. Depending upon your bead, you choose the needle, that's all. Okay, so yes, as usual for crochet, whenever you're working means 8 crochet number I am using. Okay, so only for crochet part you can use that 8 crochet hook. Okay, next I am doing the continuing the double crochets. After adding that bead, no, remaining 3 double crochet is done. Okay, in total what happens, so 6 double crochet is done in that gap with bead. Okay, in between with bead is there, 1 bead is there. So that is the thing. Okay, it is very simple. So do give a try, let me know in the comment section how did it turned. So which design, I mean, watch other videos also, which design you liked it. So let me know in the comment section, mention it. Okay, so yes, again I'm doing the 3 chain, and again I'm continuing the double crochets. It is very simple, this second step. Okay, same like working how you done the first step, no, same thing you're doing in second step also. Only the thing difference is only I mean adding the beads in between, that is the difference, that's all. So both the steps also same only thing difference is the beads, adding the bead, it is different. You can choose any type of bead of your beads of your choice. Okay, so better choose the I mean depending upon the saree. Okay, it should you select properly. Okay, for the saree also it should be suitable, no. So like that way you can choose the beads. Okay, done. Okay, see how the design looks, no, it is very elegant. Okay, so their gap is there, no, 3 chain gap there. You it is the gap is used to tie the tassels, there you can tie the tassels, no. So the design is completed, only 2 step design. Okay, it was very pretty looking. So do give a try, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so yes, like this the entire saree is done. Okay, that pallu part. Okay, so yes, the second part also is very simple. So once I finish the second part also, I mean completing the saree, no, how it looks, let me see. Okay, see like this you can see that gap is there, no, it is visible, no, 3 chain gap, there you're tying the tassels. Okay, so yes, the color combination of the saree was looking very good. Okay, I liked it. So yes, here is the final look of the design for the saree after completing, no. See how elegant, I mean so elegant, no, simple but elegant look. Yeah, so yes, so do give a try, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So yes, bye, happy learning.